मेरा हृदय पीड़ा से भरा हुआ है, क्रोध से भरा हुआ है। मणिपुर की जो घटना सामने आई है, किसी भी सभ्य समाज के लिए ये शर्मसार करने वाली घटना है।
बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, मगर बेटियों को नंगे रास्ते में जुलूस निकाल रहे हैं। अरे क्या कर रहा तू? पूरे देश में, पूरे विश्व में, पूरी दुनिया में हल्ला मच रहा, सब जने थूक रहे हैं। तू नंगा हो रहा है बेशरम, तुझे थोड़ा तो शर्म हया है? तू नंगा हो रहा है, हमारा पॉलिटिक्स को कौन से लेवल पे लाके रखा तू?
In response to a May 4th video that surfaced on social media showing two women being paraded in Manipur while entirely being naked and being groped by men, the Supreme Court directed the central and state government to take prompt action and notify of any developments or Supreme Court shall intervene. A protest was held in Town Hall, Bengaluru today, showing solidarity with the state of Manipur and its people. Protesters said PM Modi only manipulates and misleads the people of India. Only after Supreme Court said they will take care of the situation in Manipur, if the state or central government doesn't intervene, perhaps only then did the central government show some concern. However, they did not take any action whatsoever against Manipur government, and devotees are being blindsided. An activist stated, Indian government should take an action against the atrocities happening in the state of Manipur, and it's a historical misunderstanding and bifurcation of Indian government during Indian independence, which is the crucial reason tribal people have been discriminated since 70 to 80 years in Manipur and northeastern states.
बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, मगर बेटियों को नंगे रास्ते में जुलूस निकाल रहे हैं। अरे क्या कर रहा तू? पूरे देश में, पूरे विश्व में, पूरी दुनिया में हल्ला मच रहा, सब जने थूक रहे हैं। तू नंगा हो रहा है बेशरम, तुझे थोड़ा तो शर्म हया है? तू नंगा हो रहा है, हमारा पॉलिटिक्स को कौन से लेवल पे लाके रखा तू? आजकल कल तक हमारी इज्जत करने वाले तू औरतों को नंगे भेजा तो भी चुप रहता, बोलो तो मतलब क्या? वहाँ है मणिपुर में दो ग्रुप है, एक कुकी और एक मैत्रेयी। मैत्रेयी ग्रुप मोदी का, बीजेपी ओरिएंटेड, आरएसएस ओरिएंटेड, वो हिंदुत्व का एजेंडा लेके वहाँ पे हिंदू क्रिश्चियन के वोट डिवाइड करने के लिए ये झगड़े राजकीय वाले खड़ा करें, ये हमें मालूम होता। इसको रोको, बहुत दिन नहीं चलता ये, इसको स्टॉप करो, पहले इसको रोको और औरतों को इंसाफ दो। खाली उनको नंगे में जुलूस नहीं निकाले, उनके ऊपर रेप भी हुआ, पुलिस में एफआईआर दर्ज हुआ, मगर रेप का नहीं है, उसमें रेप का दाखिल करना है। ये करेस वालों को पकड़न दे, वीडियो वायरल होने के बाद पकड़ना बोले क्या उसे? क्या सो गया था?
This protest is by the citizens of Bengaluru, the citizens of India, who are demanding action against all the violence that is being meted out to people in Manipur, but especially to women, because women's bodies have become battlefields. And people are making excuses that these are communities that are fighting and this is a communal fight. But at the end of the day, the question is to the state administration in Manipur, the chief minister in Manipur, everybody who is charged with the responsibility to ensure that people are protected, constitutional guarantees are upheld, dignity and peace is maintained. Yes, it seems to have just become a slogan. Betis of Bharat can no longer seek any kind of protection from the state, and that is atrocious when the state is unable to protect and uphold the dignity of its betis. So maybe they should just scrap the slogan Beti Bachao.
मोदी जी के कथनी और करनी में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है, मगर वो सिर्फ लोगों को गुमराह करना जानती हैं, सिर्फ बहकाना जानती हैं। आज भी ये जो अंधभक्त हैं, अगर उनका आंखें नहीं खुली ये वीडियोस देखने के बावजूद, और ये जो ऑलरेडी ये रिपोर्ट आ चुकी है कि इस तरह के 100 और एफआईआर हो चुके हैं, 100 एफआईआर, क्या आप यकीन करोगे? अगर 100 एफआईआर हो चुके हैं तो ना जाने ऐसे और कितने हजारों केसेस हुए होंगे।
I strongly condemn the attitude and the patience of these women leaders who are part of the right-wing forces, who are part of the Bharatiya Janata Paksha. I think they have sanctioned the entity to be practiced against certain women who are so vulnerable in the name of their background that they are coming from. What happens to the voices of Smriti Irani? What she is doing there? What happens to my Prime Minister of India? What happens to Chief Minister of Manipur? The whole world is now bowing its head. India is such a plural country. India is a country with so much of fraternity and acceptance, with so much of culture. I think break your silence, stand with the vulnerable victimhood of the entire Manipur women's section who they are facing.
As we are part of Manipur, we don't stand for one community because both the community are suffering, and we believe that every life matters because we should not always stand for something violence happening in Manipur. I stand for both sides, not for just for like violence happening. I stand for both innocent people which are suffering.
It's because of the, not only of the ethnic clashes, because of the huge historical misunderstanding and also the bifurcation of the Indian government during the independence, of how the tribal people were mistreated and discriminated. And all this is the culminative result of the age-gone rebellion that was happening in the state. And therefore, this is the huge atrocity by the Indian government for the last 70 to 80 years in Manipur and also in the northeast state. The government is there to take care of the citizens. We are all part of the Indian democratic citizens, and therefore the government should take action, go and implement the actions. Otherwise, atrocities is happening, barbaric actions is happening, and unless the government intervenes, this barbarous act will continue.